plus increasing, minus decreasing. Plus is added, minus is minus. So that is not plus, not minus is 0. 0 is plus decreasing to reach at 0, minus increasing to reach at 0. So that 0 is minus and plus meeting is only in the 0. So the process will keep increasing. Minus is accepting from plus to be increase it to be 0. Minus increase from to getting from plus to reach at 0. Minus plus is minus so that the plus give to the minus so that to reach at 0. It is very difficult, right? But it is not difficult. I'm trying to base on this principle to our living, knowledge. So I'll try to arrangement to my today issue. Plus minus miss at 0. Plus will gives to minus. Then plus reach at 0, which to be meet minus. Minus will get from plus to reach at 0, which to meet plus. This is very simple. But plus to meet minus give to minus. Minus to be meet plus accept from plus, then to reach at the zeros. Plus reach at giving to the minus reach at 0. Plus accept from minus accept from plus to reach at 0. 0 is plus minus meeting place. 0 is plus minus living places. This principle adopted to the human beings. The plus is man minus woman. Plus is minus ability, responsibility is getting. Minus woman responsibilities naturally minus, so not to be minus to reach at plus. Minus keep accepting from plus to be reach at 0. So man must be to work hard to give a minus. Minus is accepting from plus. So that reach at minus. The minus how to? Minus in the 0 points, minus role play of women's, plus role play women's, minus half man's in the 0 points to getting well. So the man getting the property or getting energy give to the minus. Was sustainable in reach at the minus 0 point. This is very important, so that in the human being relationship, man and woman help man to get property energy. Why? The woman minus in woman do not to be out of place to reach to shift to the minus. Then what? The woman cannot meet man's. So woman must be accepted from man's property energy, so that its minus is human being is getting the process property process energy, so stay at 0. So minus process keep to help each others. Minus is in minus to do not to be out of a minus. Minus must help in the minus places human beings and the plus man's. But man is out of a 0. Keep make just money, make property, make energy, and come to reach at the 0, the all energy, all property, all money to give to the women, and then the man is to be 0, then all getting from the man, then the minus of a woman to be reached at 0. So in the general process, man and woman meetings. This is man and woman livings. This is man and woman corporations. Just in the plus and minus, plus getting energy and give to the minus. So minus getting from plus, the minus getting to be 0, and the minus all giving to minus the 0 in the 0 places, harmony place. In this place, electric over minus and plus getting bulb, right, and furthermore this heating the place. The same is it is plus and minus. Plus is man, minus woman's. Plus and man keeping in the places plus of 0. This is harmony points. So that man and woman harmony. Man and woman not equals. Man and woman harmony, because man is diligently work hard to get property and energy and money. Because properties is man is plus keeping plus, man keeping. The man's to be reached at 0, all giving to the minus of woman. The man is 0, woman is minus, woman is all getting minus is 0, minus to be 0. This is minus and plus principle. And we have to know, just man and woman reach each other, helping each other. In the 0 points, harmony point is the minus of a woman help the man to be strong. So, the man out of the zeros make a money, make a property, make energy, come to the 0 point is all giving to the woman, the work minus. So minus is woman will not out of 0. Why? Man's giving, minus of, to be zeros. It is necessary. It is a principle. Man and woman co-help each other. To be reached in the 0. Man 0 minus the woman zeros. Plus 0 minus 0. Plus is given to the minus. Minus accepted from the plus. So in the place of minus. This is man and woman harmony. This is man and woman help each other. This is really important. This is the plus is minus principle, but this is man and woman's principle also same. The man and the woman's the marriage livings is based on these principles. Man getting much money, getting property, energy, and giving to the minus to be 0, minus to be remain at 0. If a man do not give a woman to minus to be 0 points, then if a man is losing, can't, the woman is not 0. Out of 0, the minus. This is then is husband and wife relation is 0 points. There is no minus and plus. All must be 0. In the 0 place is, living peace, living happy, living excitement livings. Man in 0, woman in zeros. Plus in 0, minus in 0. Then the bulb bright and heating. If do not rolls, plus minus do not roll, then they are splitted. Plus minus. There is any role for each other. To do some to do living wells. Man diligently working hard and strong, getting property, make money, make energy. Then man is give a minus of woman's. All energy. Men don't have to save any. All giving. 2 0 plus 2 be 0. All giving. Minus all except from the plus 2 0. So the minus 2 zeros. 2 0 livings minus, always getting from plus. This is plus and minus principle. I did not know. I know today. Why we do plus and minus living is harmony livings. Man and woman harmony. Yin and yang harmony. Plus and minus harmony. It is. To be reached, to be meet the plus and minus, to be plus 0 minus 0. So the plus getting process, getting all property energy to give all to the minus. Minus accept to be 0. Righteous soul team listeners can hear today process mind principle. Principle all asset giving to the minus perfectly 0. Therefore principle plus 0 and minus all getting from plus. The minus to reach at 0. Minus the pick point is 0. Plus low point is 0. Plus minus meeting and in the 0. So that their living is harmony and help each others, man and woman. Help each others, then always keep in the 0 places, in the meeting, man and woman meeting places. Thank you.